what is up, everybody? It's your boy, Kid Friendly Bamboo 88, back again with another video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are playing Crossy Road. So let's get started with Crossy Road. Now, I have had experience with this game, so it's kind of pretty nice to know. Oh my god, I got a free gift. Yay, who donated? Yay, let's go! Free coins! Thank you to whoever has donated that. Let's win a prize. See what we get, guys. We have got Jindo. We got Jindo. Daddy, what? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's very hard to control this game, guys. Just to let you know, this game is very, very difficult. Oh, yeah, it's very difficult of a game. Let me tell you. I think I got like a Japan dog, like a dog from Japan. I think that's the main like theme of this like whole thing. So, Portagon, if you want to say stuff, you can. I'm recording, so. And I'm just, like, recording a video to, like, publish. So, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications to be notified of when I upload and never miss a video of when I post. And also leave a like and comment down below what you guys think I should do for another video, because I don't know what else to do for a video, and normally I don't do stuff for videos. So playing Pac-Man. I'm playing Pac-Man, but I don't know why I'm playing Pac-Man. I guess I'm playing Pac-Man for some odd reason. So, 12. I need to get 12 out of, like, I got 2 out of 12 lily pads, so I need to get a lot of lily pads, I guess. Oh, no, that was a pellet, too. That was a pellet. I could have gotten that. I could have gotten that pellet. If I would have waited long enough, I could have gotten that pellet. This game, I've died so much, but you know what? It's fun. It doesn't matter if you die, you get, like, I don't know. It's more fun to just keep dying in this game than it is to just, like, I don't know. Portagon, you don't have anything to say, really? I thought you would, man. Like, usually you're the person about, you know, like you're usually the person, don't you, like, record? It's very hard to record anymore because, like, it's so hard to record. Sorry I haven't really uploaded, guys. I've been trying to figure out a, recording software, actually, so, if I don't really get to you guys, I'm sorry. I will be live streaming today, probably at 6:30 p.m. PST time. So, I don't know if you guys are going to be there. Maybe Portagon. I might see Portagon in the stream, maybe. If I live today, if I go live. Yeah, I've only recorded 4 minutes of this vid, so I guess, like, I'll do a little bit more, and see how many subscribers we can get to. We're on our road to 60 subs because we already did a 50 sub special. And I think if we get 60 subs, I'll do a 60 sub special maybe. And maybe I'll have my friend Portagon join in on that maybe. If he wants. That's up to you, Portagon, though. That's up to you. Like, do you want to do that? Are you gonna probably join, maybe? Like, I feel like you should join just in case I do stream. Yeah, it's kind of hard anymore to really record anything, really. I'm posting like videos, or at least trying to post videos every day that I can. I'm going to stop this recording, guys. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like, and comment down below what I should do next. Till then, guys, bye!